Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast for Winter Storm Kade. This storm, is a pretty hard storm to forecast, and I'll be making more updates as the forecast gets more refined. This storm will be happening within the next couple days for the Midwest and within the next week in the Northeast. Snow-wise, we'll start in the Gulf and move our way around. You can see in this whole large yellow region here, there's a flood threat. Now, not everywhere in this region will receive, hardcore floods, but everywhere in this region has a chance for a flood threat and some scattered thunderstorms. We are not anticipating severe thunderstorms, but we are anticipating heavy rain in much of this region. In the green region, spreading from parts of Texas down to Florida and up, skimming the East Coast, is rain, whether that be a drizzle or more steady rain. Moving to the Midwest, you can see the aqua region, spreading from South Dakota into Kansas, pretty much this whole aqua region. It was less than 1 to 3 inches of snow. Then you can see the cyan color, whipping from southeast South Dakota into Missouri and up into the Great Lakes, much of the Great Lakes. 3 to 6 inches there, with locally higher amounts, maybe even up to 8 inches in some of these areas. It really just depends on how fast the storm moves, where it goes, and how strong the low pressure system will be. And you can see there's a small corridor of 6 to 10 inches spreading from far western Illinois into northern Missouri, southern Iowa, with locally higher amounts. And there's a small 6 to 10 inch region in the upper peninsula of Michigan. Moving east, you can see this whole purple region is mixed. You can expect some snowfall, but it's going to be a mix between rain and snow. You can see here a lot of the region is in less than 1 to 3 inches, especially in the mountains, and 3 to 6 inches spreading from most of New York into all of Vermont, parts of Massachusetts, a narrow corridor through Pennsylvania, and a little bit of Maine. And there's a dark blue 6 to 10 inch in northwestern New York and southeastern Maine. Now, with how the storm will go, there can be locally higher amounts up to a foot over here, especially in Massachusetts, right where the line between rain and snow. So this is going to be a very hard storm to predict. It's better to over-predict than under-predict. And in my opinion, I think I'm under-predicting this storm right now with this graphic. So I'll update it tomorrow. If I don't post tomorrow, sorry, it's because I have exams. But I mean, I should have time, But there's one side of Massachusetts that's going to be heavy rain, and the other side, heavy snow. That could bring a foot. So, if you're in Boston, expect more rain than snow, really, as of right now. We do also have an ice threat. It's not it is widespread, but it doesn't go into the East Coast. The ice threat spreads from much of Missouri into even a small part of Michigan and southeastern Wisconsin and Illinois. Now, this ice threat isn't expected to be significant. I would say maybe 1/10 of an inch or 2/10 of an inch of ice are possible, especially in Missouri and Illinois. That's your trusted weather forecast for Winter Storm Kade. I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Goodbye. Back to the